When you stop chasing, texting, calling, or seeking validation, everything changes. No contact isn't about manipulation. It's about reclaiming your self-respect. The silence creates space where emotions that were once ignored begin to surface. Many people only recognize someone's value after they experience their absence. Instead of constantly trying to convince someone to choose you, you choose yourself. That shift in energy is powerful. Confidence grows when you stop waiting for someone else's attention to determine your worth. Whether he comes back or not, you've already won because you've broken the cycle of emotional dependence. No contact teaches patience, emotional discipline, and self-control. It reminds you that love should never require begging or chasing. When a man notices you're no longer available on demand, curiosity often replaces certainty. He starts wondering what changed, and that's when the dynamic begins to shift. When you decide to stop contacting a man, something powerful begins to happen, not just in his mind, but within you. Most people believe that love is won by trying harder, sending one more message, or finding the perfect words to make someone understand their feelings. In reality, constantly chasing someone often removes the mystery and confidence that naturally attract respect. No contact is not about punishment, revenge, or making someone suffer. It is about stepping away from a situation that has drained your emotional energy and giving yourself the chance to regain control of your life. The moment you stop seeking constant reassurance from another person, your focus begins to shift toward your own happiness and personal growth. Instead of checking your phone every few minutes or wondering why he hasn't replied, you begin investing that time in improving yourself, strengthening your confidence, and creating a life that doesn't depend on anyone else's attention. This change in mindset is noticeable because confident people carry themselves differently. They no longer appear desperate for validation, and that quiet confidence becomes more attractive than endless attempts to hold someone's attention. For many men, your sudden absence interrupts the routine they had grown comfortable with. The messages stop, the availability disappears, and the certainty that you would always be there begins to fade. That unexpected silence often creates curiosity because people naturally notice when something familiar is no longer present. He may begin wondering why you've become distant, what you're doing now, and whether you've started moving forward without him. At the same time, you are discovering that your worth has never been tied to how quickly someone responds or how much attention they give you. Every day you remain committed to your own peace. Instead of chasing temporary validation, you become emotionally stronger, more independent, and far more capable of recognizing relationships that are built on mutual respect rather than one-sided effort. Many men do not fully understand the value of a woman until they experience life without her presence. This is not because they intentionally ignored her worth, but because human nature often takes consistent kindness, loyalty, and support for granted when they become part of everyday life. When you are always available, always forgiving, and always reaching out first, your efforts can slowly become expected instead of appreciated. No contact changes that pattern completely. Suddenly, the conversations stop, the familiar good morning texts disappear, and the emotional comfort that was once freely available is no longer there. That absence creates space for reflection. Instead of being distracted by daily communication, he begins remembering the moments that truly mattered. He recalls your laughter, your encouragement during difficult times, your patience, and the way you made him feel understood. Small memories that once seemed ordinary begin carrying much greater emotional weight because they are no longer part of his daily routine. Distance has a remarkable ability to reveal what constant presence often hides. When someone experiences the silence left behind by a meaningful relationship, they begin comparing life with you to life without you. If your connection was genuine, he may realize that replacing your emotional support is far more difficult than he imagined. However, This process only happens when you genuinely step back, instead of trying to remind him of everything he has lost. True appreciation grows naturally when someone has the opportunity to recognize your value on their own. Meanwhile, you are also gaining something far more important. You begin recognizing that your kindness should never be treated as something ordinary. You understand that your love, loyalty, and emotional investment are valuable gifts, not obligations. As your confidence grows, you stop accepting relationships where your efforts are overlooked, and you start expecting the same level of respect, consistency, and care that you are willing to give. That shift in standards transforms not only how others see you, but also how you choose the people who deserve a place in your life. One of the biggest reasons men sometimes return after no contact has nothing to do with silence itself. It has everything to do with the person you become during that silence. When you stop investing all of your emotional energy into someone else's choices, you finally have the opportunity to invest it back into yourself. Instead of spending your days wondering why he hasn't called or whether he misses you, you begin creating a life that feels exciting, meaningful, and fulfilling. You start taking better care of your health, pursuing goals that were once pushed aside, learning new skills, reconnecting with friends and family, and rebuilding the confidence that may have been lost during the relationship. Every positive step you take strengthens your sense of identity, reminding you that your happiness is something you create, not something another person gives you. This personal growth changes the way you carry yourself. Your conversations become more confident, your decisions become wiser, and your emotions become more balanced because you are no longer reacting from fear or insecurity. Confidence is one of the most attractive qualities a person can possess because it communicates self-respect without needing to say a single word. If he notices your transformation, he may realize that the version of you standing before him is stronger, happier, and more emotionally mature than the one he left behind. He sees someone who is no longer waiting for permission to enjoy life. That realization often creates admiration because genuine growth cannot be faked. It is reflected in your attitude, your habits, and the peace you carry within yourself. More importantly, this journey changes your own standards. You stop chasing relationships that require constant effort from only one side. You become more selective about who earns your time, your trust, and your heart. Instead of asking whether someone likes you enough, you begin asking whether they consistently show the respect, honesty, and commitment you deserve. That shift in perspective is what makes your growth so powerful because it transforms you into someone who values themselves first, regardless of who decides to come back. Silence has a unique power because it creates something that constant communication never can: mystery. When you are always explaining yourself, always sending updates about your life, and always making your feelings known, there is very little left for someone to wonder about. But when you step back during no contact, the story suddenly changes. Your absence leaves unanswered questions, and the human mind naturally wants to fill in the gaps. He may begin asking himself where you are, what you're doing, whether you've met someone new, or if you finally moved on. These questions are not created by manipulation. They arise because certainty has disappeared. What was once predictable has become unknown, and curiosity often grows strongest in the presence of uncertainty. Instead of seeing you as someone who will always be there regardless of how little effort he gives, he begins realizing that your attention and time are valuable. Every day that passes without hearing from you reinforces the fact that life continues with or without his involvement. While he is wondering about your life, you are quietly building one that no longer revolves around waiting for his next message. You spend your energy pursuing your goals, strengthening your confidence, discovering new opportunities, and creating experiences that bring genuine happiness. This silent transformation is far more powerful than trying to prove your worth through endless conversations. People are naturally drawn to those who have a sense of purpose and inner peace because those qualities cannot be manufactured overnight. When your actions demonstrate independence instead of emotional dependence, others begin seeing you differently. They recognize someone who respects themselves enough to walk away from situations that no longer serve their well-being. Mystery is not about pretending to be unavailable or playing emotional games. It is about allowing your life to speak for itself. The less you feel the need to explain every decision or seek validation from someone else's approval, the more confidence you naturally project. That confidence becomes the message, showing that your happiness is no longer tied to another person's attention, but to the fulfilling life you continue building for yourself every single day. One of the most important lessons that no contact teaches is that your true value does not disappear simply because someone failed to recognize it at the right time. In many relationships, people become so accustomed to receiving love, support, loyalty, and encouragement that they stop noticing how much those qualities improve their lives. They assume that the person giving them will always be there, no matter how little appreciation they show. When you step away and stop making yourself constantly available, that assumption begins to break. The emotional support that once comforted him is no longer within reach. The encouraging words, thoughtful conversations, and dependable presence that he relied on become memories instead of daily experiences. As time passes, he may begin to realize that what he lost was not easy to replace. Genuine loyalty, emotional maturity, and sincere care are qualities that cannot simply be found in every new relationship. They are built through trust, consistency, and shared experiences over time. This realization often causes him to reflect on the mistakes he made and the opportunities he allowed to slip away. However, the most meaningful transformation is not happening in his mind. It is happening in yours. During this period of distance, you begin recognizing that your kindness should never come at the expense of your self-respect. You understand that love is not measured by how much you sacrifice while receiving little in return. Instead, healthy relationships are built on mutual appreciation, consistent effort, honest communication, and shared responsibility. You no longer feel the need to convince someone that you are worth loving because you have already accepted that truth for yourself. This new confidence changes the standard you set for every future relationship. You become less willing to tolerate mixed signals, emotional inconsistency, or one-sided effort because you know what you bring to the table. If he returns after recognizing your value, his actions should demonstrate genuine growth, accountability, and respect rather than empty promises. By the time that moment arrives, you are no longer searching for validation from his decision. You are simply evaluating whether the person standing before you is capable of matching the value, maturity, and commitment that you now expect from anyone who wants a place in your life. The greatest mistake people make during no contact is believing that its only purpose is to bring someone back. When your entire focus is on whether he will text, call, apologize, or ask for another chance, you are still allowing your happiness to depend on his choices instead of your own. The real power of no contact begins when your goal shifts from changing another person to transforming yourself. Every day you choose peace over anxiety, self-respect over chasing, and personal growth over emotional dependence. You become stronger than you were before. You stop measuring your value by the attention you receive and start measuring it by the standards you refuse to compromise. This change is life-changing because it gives you something no relationship can provide: inner confidence. You begin trusting your own decisions, protecting your emotional well-being, and understanding that walking away from disrespect is not a loss, but a victory. As you continue building your own life, your priorities become clearer. You invest more time in your health, your dreams, your family, your friendships, and the goals that make you feel fulfilled. Instead of waiting for someone else to complete your happiness, you create a life that already feels complete. Ironically, this is often the moment when people who once overlooked you begin paying attention again. They notice the confidence in your attitude, the peace in your mind, and the independence in your lifestyle. Whether he returns or not becomes less important because your life is no longer standing still. If he comes back with genuine accountability, consistent effort, emotional maturity, and a sincere desire to build a healthier relationship, you now have the wisdom to evaluate his actions rather than being persuaded by his words alone. If he never returns, you have still gained something far more valuable than reconciliation. You have rediscovered your identity, rebuilt your confidence, and learned that your future does not depend on one person's decision to stay or leave. The ultimate success of no contact is not making someone miss you. It is becoming the kind of person who never abandons their own worth, never settles for less than they deserve, and never forgets that the strongest relationship they will ever build is the one they have with themselves.